Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, my friends. In this video I'm talking about the Bittorrent token. What's the current price of Bittorrent token, what's the price changes occur in the BTT, and this video I will share the latest update. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. Now my friends, in this video I recommend for everybody to invest in a BTT token, my friends. It's time to buy more and more BTT token, my friends. And buy now Bittorrent token, my friends. Absolutely, if you want to make a profit with the Bittorrent token, so you have to buy now Bittorrent token, my friends. Absolutely, you get a very good amount of profit from a Bittorrent token, my friends. The current price of Bittorrent token is 0.002245 USD dollar, and on the other side, my friends, if you look the price change is occur in the BTT token. So now the last 1 hour change is positive, 1 day change is weak, negative, last 1 week change is also positive, my friends. So my friends, maximum highly, now you can see it from this update from the last 60-minute update. That's clear, my friends. That's clear that BTT is now in the jumping mode. Bittorrent token is now in the jumping mode. So I think personally, my friends, my prediction, my technical analysis is going positive about BTT token, and I believe that if you invest now in a BTT token, so in the future they will give you good amount of profit. They give you good amount of profit, my friends. So please invest now in a Bittorrent token, my friends. Hope you can see from the price chart. It's also clear that now BTT token is in the pumping mood. And you know what, my friends, don't worry about this kind of falls. That is a temporary falls, my friends, for 2 hours, for 3 hours, my friends. Don't worry, and don't worry about this kind of changes, my friends. Just look here, my friends, they are going to the moon. Don't worry about the BTT token. Positive 1.37% the price increase in the last 1 week, my friends, and the currently latest price of BTT token is 0.002234 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of Bittorrent token. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about BTT token? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.